Welcome back to Learn Java on Codecademy. We're in the next section, Conditionals and Control Flow, Lesson 1, Decisions. So far, we've explored primitive data types and Java syntax. As we've seen, Java programs follow the instructions we provided them, such as printing values to the console. We can also write Java programs that can follow different sets of instructions depending on the values that we provide to them. This is called control flow. In this lesson, we'll learn how to use control flow in our programs. Here we have the instructions that say, take a look at the code in the editor. If it looks confusing to you right now, don't worry. After this lesson, you'll be able to read and write Java programs that use control flow. Click Run to run the code. So, if this is similar to JavaScript, then yes, we just have an if statement that checks if 1 is less than 4 and 0 is greater than 5. Both these statements must be true in order for this code in here to run. If any of these are false, this code will never run in between the curly braces. It will go to the next else if and check the conditions there. Here it says 21 less than 19 or 17 is greater than or equal to 28. Here, only one or the other needs to be true. And if one or the other is true, it will run the code within this block. So this else if never runs if this was true. It would just have broken out up there. But since this is false, it checks the next one. And is 21 less than 19? No, this is false. Let's check the second one. 17 greater than 28? No, that's also false. This code never runs. It goes and checks the next else if. Here, it checks if not true equals true. So this is order of operations. True equals true. That's true. But then it says not true, which would make it not true. So that would never print. Else, it should print you ordered a cup of Java. Okay. Down here we have a switch statement, which works kind of like an if statement. Here we have the answer choice variable, which is a char, which is C. Here we put in the answer, which is C. So case A would never print, case B would never print, case C would print. So let's see this. Let's see if this is going how we expected. So you ordered a cup of Java, which is what we said. You ordered a cup of Java, and then C, that is correct. It printed this. That is correct. It didn't print A or B, and it never printed D because of this break here. Again, if all this was new to you, don't worry about it. We will come back to all this. Default was kind of like the last choice. If all these didn't work out, the default one would have ran. Like up here, there was an else. All the other ones were else ifs. And that was just to give you an idea of what we're going to be learning in the following lessons. See you guys there.